what I want to do is I want to show you real quickly what it looks like to edit one of our sites. They're very simple to edit. When you get a website, you'll get something that looks something like this, and it'll be a unique design for your particular business. In this particular instance, we're looking at Funhouse Learning Center. This is a fictitious preschool learning center, and we're just going to show you how we would edit this. So when you get your website, it's going to look something like this. You'll see a website preview, and this bar will only appear until the website is actually live. Once it's live, that bar will disappear. So let's see how you would go ahead and go about editing a site like this. So let's minimize this first of all. Let's go over here to your website editor. Okay, so here in the website editor, several things that you can change. First of all, the elements, and you've got anywhere from your basic to your multimedia to even revenue if you're doing e-commerce, and there's even more things like dividers, custom HTML, contact forms, and a whole host of other elements that you can change. You could also add pages. So for example, right here we have several different pages, which is our home page, our programs, mission, staff, contact. But if I wanted to add an additional page, I can just click right there on pages, and that would allow me to put in a brand new page, even hide maybe perhaps some pages that I don't want the public to see. I could even do nested pages. But let's go back to elements to just show you real quickly how easy it is to edit. So for example, right here we see a little mistake. We got some space in there. Every one of these boxes is an element that's been added. So I can easily go in here, click, oops, sorry, I think I have to click in that first one, and delete, and there I've got that fixed. And here, let's try to do this. There we go. We got some spacing issues that we just resolved very easily. If I wanted to change the color of this text for whatever reason, I can go over here, and let's say I needed it to be red. I can easily change it to red. That looks more like orange, but you get the picture. Let's go back to black. If I need it to bold, like let's say here, your child will receive. So let's say the extra attention. Let's do that, bold. Go ahead and bold that. I can underline it. I can even italicize it. So if you've used any kind of word processor, you can easily manage your site. Also, you'll notice things like pictures. You can easily edit the picture. If I clicked on edit the image here, I can edit the size of the picture. If I wanted to make it smaller, larger, I can do things like that. I can crop it. I can rotate the picture. Let's say I wanted a little angle like that, make it cute. I could also add effects. Maybe I wanted to look black and white or like an antique kind of photo. I can do that easily. Click OK, save, and our picture, there we go, and that's our picture right there. And we can preview it, go back to preview our site. There's our website with a little slanted photo there, which was done very, very easily. Let's head back to that editor again. So here, if you wanted to even add content to your site, so let's say you wanted to add a whole entire paragraph with a new title, I can go ahead and do paragraph with title, drag it down from the elements area, and here we go. Okay, so this is my new paragraph, and I can, let me just go out and get some content so I don't have to type everything all over again. But let's see here. Let's get some content. Okay, I did a text. There we go. Okay, got a little content there about our staff. Let's just copy and paste this real quick. Bring this over to my content. And of course, I can always just go back and edit whatever I need. I just needed a little bit of content here. I don't need all this. Okay, let's delete that. And that's my new paragraph right there. Just added that paragraph. If I wanted to add a new picture, I can just go to picture and add it. Now, it's going to take one at a time. So what you want to do is you want to set up columns. So let's put so we got our columns element up here, and let's drag this picture over to that column and drag our paragraph over to the right here. And here we can go ahead and add a picture. Let's see, what's a good picture? Okay, here we got a picture of this young lady. We added the picture. We can always move this. And that simply, I already edited this site completely, and it was quick. It was a breeze, really easy, in just maybe minutes, I guess. Contacts, that's very important for a website because you want to make sure that people contact you, and what better way than forms. And we provide customized forms. You can actually get in here and completely change this form. Right now it says name, first, last, email, and comments, but I could add questions and radio buttons and all sorts of things. So anyhow, we encourage you to contact us and find out how we can better serve you. Thanks.